Welcome to the SilverReed knitting machine channel, crafters. We share knitting hacks and creative projects to transform yarn into delightful creations. I'm Jin Mao, and today we're mastering the tuck stitch, a game-changing knitting technique. This technique layers loops to create beautiful 3D textures. The stretchy, textured results are perfect for sweaters and scarves. Today I'll be using the SK280 knitting machine for a step-by-step tuck stitch tutorial that beginners can follow for all you knitting enthusiasts looking to expand your skills. Hit that subscribe button. Today we'll be trying out some techniques straight from the book. I'll show you how to properly install the pattern card and set up the carriage. Let's dive right in. We've knitted a few rows of plain stitch with our main color. Now take your pattern card with side A facing you. Slide the pattern card into its slot. Rotate the adjustment knob. Secure both ends of the pattern card with the clip. Make sure the row numbers match on both sides. Adjust the knob to set the pattern card to starting position 1. Lock the pattern card in all position. And set both cam levers on the main carriage to knit one row by moving the carriage. Set the cam lever to T for tuck stitch. Turn the tension dial up 2 notches. And set the pattern card lock to triangle. Push the left edge needles to D position. After knitting a row, the pattern card advances. Push the right edge needles to D position. Knit a row and push the left edge needles to D position. Knit a row and push the right edge needles to D position. Repeat these steps until you reach the desired number of rows. The tuck stitch pattern starts to form. Here's how it looks after completing 1.5 pattern units. Tuck stitches create beautiful 3D textures that are highly decorative. Knit to your desired row count. Move the pattern card lock lever to OK. Set the main cam lever to OK. Turn the tension dial down 2 clicks for plain stitch. Set the side cam lever to knit a few rows of plain stitch. Your tuck stitch pattern is done. Remove it from the machine. To see your beautiful textured work. Which knitting pattern or technique would you like us to demonstrate next? We might just make your request our next tutorial. Remember to like and subscribe for more SK280 knitting machine tips and tricks.